You can activate the white label subscription from within the Treatise platform. You'll find it on the list over here. You can click it, hit activate, and then it's purchased. Once you've purchased the white label, you'll have to fill in the following details. You can insert your website, the Help Center URL where you'd like users to be directed to, as well as a support widget so that it's fully your own. You can also upload your own logo, favicon for the URL, and then you can decide which colors you'd like to appear on the platform. You'll also have to set your public domain and a white label email that we can reach you on. Once you have saved these details, the registration process will begin on our end. This process typically takes up to 24 hours. That's because once you've activated the white label solution and provided us with your domain and white label email address, we register your domain in the system and generate DNS records for you. Once we have these records, you will add them to the domain registry on your end. You'll know once everything has been registered when you receive 2 emails. The first will be with the 2 DNS records. These will be valid for 72 hours. And then another one will be to your white label email address from Postmark with a confirmation link inside. Ensure that you confirm this link to be able to collect leads from your tour. As you're waiting for this confirmation email and for the registration to take place on our part, you can still edit the look and feel of the platform, as you can see over here.